Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I am going to give you a brief introduction of FFCS. FFCS is around the corner and many of you are confused about FFCS and want to know more about FFCS. So first, what does FFCS mean? So FFCS stands for Fully Flexible Credit System. So in this system, you are allowed to choose your credits, faculty, location of your class and timing of your class. So it makes it fully flexible according to your needs, and you can choose whatever subjects you want to study in whichever semester and at what time. So first of all, you need to know some basic things in order to do your FFCS. First thing is you need to know which subject you have to study. So for that, you have to go to your VIT Academics, My Curriculum, and then you will get this table which contains the amount of credits you need to complete in each area or each category, and under that you will get the list of subjects which you can opt for. So there are two different types of subjects. Some are core subjects and some are elective subjects. So here it is a table of mechanical engineering. So for different branches, the credit system may be different, but the end number of credits is 150, which is common for all the branches from 2021. So now, as you can see, you have foundation core, discipline linked engineering, discipline core, discipline elective, open elective, project internships, and non-graded core requirement. So there are things where you see core. These are core subjects which are related to your branches and that need to be compulsorily done before finishing your degree. In order to get your degree, you need to get all the 150 credits done before the end of the 4th year. So now there are some electives in which you have a large variety of subjects from which you can choose according to your interest. For example, for your discipline elective, you have 12 credits, but there may be subjects like 20 to 30 subjects in discipline elective, and you can choose 3-4 subjects from it to complete your 12 credits. And now there is open elective. In open elective, you can choose subjects for 12 credits, and it can be any subjects of whichever branch you want to study. For example, if you are in a mechanical branch but you wish to study some coding subjects, then you can opt for coding subjects in this open elective. And the subjects which you have chosen branch migration, if your branch migration doesn't happen, they will be added in your open elective. And there are some non-graded subjects such as EVS which needs to be done in order to complete your degree. You won't be getting grades for that subject, but you need to do that subjects in order to be eligible for getting that degree. So now you have cleared the subjects which you have to take in order to complete 4 years of your engineering. You have to complete 150 credits and then you will get your degree. So now in FFCS, what we do is we take subjects from these categories and make a timetable according to it. So you are allowed to take whichever subject you want in whichever semester or any point of time, but the only thing is you have to take it carefully, and you have to make sure that you complete all the 150 credits before completing your 4th year. So what it is recommended is you take at least 20 credits in each semester in order to complete 150 credits at end of the 4 years. So FFCS will take place at the starting of each semester, and you will be allowed to choose your subjects, teachers, time and slot for the subject, and then you can make a timetable on basis of it and you can study those subjects. So what important thing here it comes is you have to go step by step. You have to study the basic subjects first and then you have to study the advanced subjects. For example, if you want to study AOD, for AOD, you have a basic requirement that you should know some basic principles of calculus. So in order to study AOD, you must have studied calculus first in your first semester, then only you can take AOD in your second semester. So this is called as prerequisites. So you have to check the prerequisites of each subject and you have to complete the prerequisites first and then take the other subjects or the advanced subjects. In this way, you are allowed to make your own timetable. You will be allowed to make your timetable in the month of February. For now, it's declared that 5 and 6 February you will have your mock FFCS, because it's your first year. You will be having a mock FFCS to get an idea about how FFCS works. And on 9th February you will be having an FFCS, which is actual, and the timetable you make in the FFCS will be your final timetable. So now I will tell you the steps involved in FFCS. So in general, FFCS is divided into 4 steps. First is wishlist registration, course allocation by branches. Then we have phase 1 and phase 2 FFCS, and then we have add and drop option. So in wishlist registration, it is like a quiz or survey in which VIT seeks what subjects students want to study in their next semester, and on the basis of it, course allocation is done by the schools. So according to the survey done in the wish list, the number of students opting that subject, accordingly the slots are allotted in course allocation. Then comes the phase 1 and phase 2 registrations. In phase 1 and phase 2 registration, you are allowed to take FFCS. In phase 1, mainly core subjects are given, and in phase 2, electives are done. Add and drop option is enabled after the starting of the semester within 1-2 days for the students who are unable to complete their minimum credits in FFCS. Then they can add some credits to achieve minimum credits, that is 16 credits per semester. So for now, as your FFCS is going to be different, and you are the only semester whose FFCS is pending, there won't be any phase 1, phase 2 registrations or wishlist registration. The courses are allotted by the schools already, and you will get a mail regarding it, and you have to just do one FFCS, which is on 9th of February. But I recommend you to do the FFCS on 5th and 6th February, so you get a better idea how FFCS works, and you get familiar with the platform, and you can ace the FFCS on 9th February. So if you have any more doubts about FFCS, you can drop them down in the comment section, or you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.